Hi, welcome to Bathfittersh channel and also welcome to the Raju Fixer application new in the Tri-City. So you'll find this application in the Tri-City where you can look for plumbers, you can shop materials like showers, diverters, pipes, anything which is related to bathroom fittings. Now let's jump in and see what kind of showers we have in our store and over the application. So these showers are actually installed with diverters or maybe with band mixtures, right? If you want to have a different look of what band mixture looks like, how many samples we have, you or what kind of diverters can be installed, we you can actually watch in a different channel also on a different link which will be there in the subscription. I mean in the link. So let's see what kind of showers we have. So let's say the first shower what we have is a silicone shower. So this is a very soft shower, right? And if you have any kind of calcium or magnesium ions, what we call shora in Hindi, right? So what is shora is just not it's basically a calcium and magnesium ions that are being broken down into different particles. So, but when calcium or magnesium ions get stuck in the shower, so this is the right thing which is being installed, because you just have to rub your hand over the shower and the shora comes out very easily. Not only this, and this is also the same kind of shower, but what is the difference between this is a little bit wide and this is a slim shower, okay? And it's got a very high long elasticity. Even as you can see right now, I'm pulling out it very rigorously, but it's not coming out. This is the high quality shower what we serve to you. You'll not get it anywhere in the Tri-City also. Next, this is a 6 inches shower. Now, as you can see, this is a shower which is similar to Jaquar also. Okay, so it's actually in oval shape, and this costs you just rupees 890, right? That's the best price for you, right? And not only that, now let's see a big shower than this is an 8 inches shower. It's exactly the same, what is there in this is 6 inches, and this is 8 inches. The size difference is just about 2 inches. Definitely when you're taking a shower, you need good rainfall also. This is actually also called a rainfall shower, okay? So this is the kind of showers what has to be installed in your houses. If you have not installed this shower right now, come to our shop or order us, call us, and we will give you all kind of showers. This is exactly the same shower again. This is in 10 inches, right? This is 10 inches, this is 8 inches, and the other that I showed you was 6 inches, right? Again, if you're not you just want a shower which has to look very normal for you and it's for your kids, this is the exact shower what your kids require, all right? Because now this is how things work out. Now let me show you a very big shower. This is the shower what I was wanting to show to you, right? This is such a big shower. This shower is approximately 18 inches. This costs you for 4,000 rupees only, right? And it's a very heavy shower. This approximately weighs 2 kgs of shower. It is installed just above the head, just like this, overhead, right? So it's not and this provision has to be done between the walls. And the kind of rods that we have is 12 inches. The other that we have is 15 inches, right? This is 15 inches shower. This is 12, this is 15. Then comes the 18 inches shower tube, and then comes the 24 inches shower tube. So what is the difference between, why do you need to install such big showers? If you have a good bathing area and you know that, okay, these are the things which can be you want to take a good bath, where if you install such a thing and you want to stretch your arms and then bathe properly, then you should install a 24 inches shower tube. This is all about showers. I'll also share a link of shower panel in the description, right? You can just go and watch the shower panel, which is of Jaquar. It's of 50% off. Go and buy it. And if not, you can call us. My number is directly there. You will find me over my store, or you can directly go to the Raju Fixer application and order your plumbing materials right there at the best prices. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go and like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much, guys.